Got the hiccups? Who's got the hiccups? Okay, what you gotta do is stand on one foot and rub your belly while rubbing your head at the same time, okay? Ready? You wanna try it? Okay, go ahead. Stand up. That's what you gotta do.
Got your clueless expression.
You gotta, what do you got the hiccups? What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about the hiccups? Hmm? Whoops. Who's got the hiccups? Did you eat too fast? Did you eat too fast? How did Jilly get the hiccups? How did Jilly get the hiccups? Well, I don't know if that's gonna work. Is that what dogs do to get rid of the hiccups? You smell your butt, you get rid of the hiccups? Let's see if it worked. Well, maybe that's the best way for a dog. I guess you know better than me. I think it worked.